how to apply your eyelash as a beginner. You want to learn how to apply your lashes as a beginner, watch this video, and don't forget to follow me and like for more. So this is our lash, and this is our lash glue that we are using, and tweezers. We're going to put the glue like this on the lash band, just a tiny amount. Then we are going to use mascara for our lash first, because there are some eyeshadow fallouts on our lashes. So we're going to brush our lash and prep it for the first lash. Brush it off, remove all the eyeshadow that is on it. Then, as a beginner, this hack is for only beginners. What you are going to do is you are going to take the glue, put this, the eyeliner, the liquid eyeliner, this thing. I'm going to put the lash glue like this on it. Then I'll use it to line my eyes so that it will be easy. This is for only beginners only. I'm using the glue to line my eyes now. The lash glue. We just leave it for a little for it to get tacky first before we apply our lashes. This way the lash will be easy for you to fix and it will last longer as a beginner. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. So now I'm going to apply first lash. And you see it's very easy to apply because of the glue I've used to line my eyes. So like this, you take your first layer, use the tweezers to hold it like this. Then you take your mirror, you hold your mirror like this, you look down. You put it at the middle. Then you use the tweezers, or you can use your hand. Fix the outer part, then you come to the inner part. If it's not balanced well, you pull it out and you fix it back until it's balanced well. If the first time you did not get it, you remove it and you put it back. You arrange it till it sets well. You arrange the inner side, the outer side. even the window. You arrange it till everything is set well. Lash. And after that, you touch your hand with water. Make sure your hand is wet and clean. Then you hold the lash, the first lash and your natural lash together. You hold it from the down. You look down and you hold them together. Do it on this side too. From the down now. See, it's gumming my hand. That is why you need water. If there is water in your hand, it won't gum. Not too much water, just a little. Just to wet your hand, make sure the glue is not sticking to your hand. That is how you fix your first lash as a beginner. Simple and easy. This now will take you for the whole day. It will take you for the whole day. It will not move for the whole day. It will take you. It can even take you to the next day because of the lash glue that we use on it. Like, I even take you to the next day if you want to. Thank you for watching.